housemate to be evicted from the Bbnaija Lockdown house is Kaisha.
Yes, guys, coming in live from the Bbnaija Sunday eviction show. Kaisha becomes the 5th housemate to be evicted from the show. The Bbnaija 2020 lockdown eviction show just went down some minutes ago. The 4 housemates with the least votes were put up for eviction. The 4 housemates put up for eviction were Trikiti, Kaisha, Watoni, and New. But Kaisha was the unfortunate one and has been evicted from the house. Ebuka called up the 4 housemates that were up for eviction this week and then went through the event that took place in the house during the week, while the housemates cast their vote for who they want to keep in the house and who they want to kick out of Biggie's house. Kaisha and Watoni were the housemates with the least votes for a person to be saved. Kaisha Umaru has been evicted from Bbnaija house for the start of week 5. So guys, what are your opinion on this? What do you think about Kaisha leaving the house? Are you okay with it? Would you think should have gone instead of Kaisha? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If it's your first time of viewing, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the notification icon to get more entertaining videos when a new story drops. Thank you.